Hey yummy fam, so let's make some brownies together. In a bowl, you add in your melted butter, you add in your brown sugar, and you're whisking everything together using your whisk or your spatula. Then you're going to be adding in your white sugar, and then you mix everything together. And yeah, I'm just adding in the second batch of my white sugar, and you're mixing everything together. You add in your eggs, and you mix everything together. And then you're going to be adding in your vegetable oil. Yeah, you're going to be adding in your vegetable oil, and then you mix everything together. You mix everything together thoroughly, then set aside. In another bowl, you add in your flour, you add in your cocoa powder, you add in your baking powder, you add in your salt, and you're mixing everything together. Make sure you mix everything together. It is actually very, very important. Now you bring your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients, and then you fold in just like this using your spatula. Now you can use your hand mixer to mix, and your batter is ready. And you're going to be baking on low medium heat for about 40 to 45 minutes, and your brownies are ready. Looks really yummy. Something you love to try. Thank you for watching. Bye.